Hi guys, welcome back to A for Biology YouTube channel. So today I am going to discuss all the Unit 2 MCQs that was included in the year 2001 A-Level Biology paper. So please make sure to download the MCQ tutorial which is linked down below in the description. So let's begin. Question number 1. Which of the following is common in plant, animal and bacterial cell? So for any cell, irrespective of the organization, there are four main components. So they are plasma membrane, cytosol, DNA as genetic material and ribosomes. I'm going to repeat, there are four components which are like compulsory to any kind of a cell. Irrespective of the organization means like even if it's eukaryotic or prokaryotic, they have these four components. They are plasma membrane, cytosol, DNA as genetic material and ribosomes. So here animal and plant cell stands for eukaryotic cellular organization and bacterial cell stands for prokaryotic organization. So any type of a cell has plasma membrane, cytosol, DNA as genetic material and ribosome. So the answer is number 4. Question number 2. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding lysosomes? So number 1. They are derived from Golgi complex. Yes, under the functions of Golgi complex, production of lysosomes is given. Number 2 is the answer here because it's incorrect. They are double membrane bound organelles. No, that's wrong. Only nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplasts are considered as double membrane bound organelles in our syllabus. So lysosomes and vacuoles are single membrane bound organelles. And ribosomes and nucleolus, if I remember correctly, they don't have a membrane. So there are 3 points mainly that you can understand from this statement. Double membrane bound organelles are nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplast. Lysosomes and vacuoles are single membrane bound organelles. Ribosomes and nucleolus, they don't have a membrane. So the third, fourth are correct according to the definition of lysosomes given in the resource book. So the fifth one, they are found only in eukaryotic cells. This is true because prokaryotic cells do not have any membrane bound organelles. Since lysosomes are single membrane bound organelles, prokaryotic cells cannot have them. Like they don't have lysosomes. They don't have any kind of a membrane bound organelle. So I'm going to summarize with the resource book note. Lysosomes are single membrane bound vesicles contributing to digestive activity. Answer is number 2 for the second question. Question number 3. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding ATP? ATP is a nucleotide. That's true. Adenosine triphosphate is a nucleotide. Second one, ATP is produced during photosynthesis. That's also true. You guys know this very well. Through photophosphorylation, ATP is produced during photosynthesis. Third statement is the answer for this question because it's wrong. So let's go to that. In aerobic respiration, most ATP per molecule of glucose is produced during Krebs cycle. So that's wrong. Only 2 ATP molecules are produced during Krebs cycle. So we can't consider 2 as the highest number because the highest number of ATP is produced during electron transport chain, which is 28 in number. In glycolysis also only 2 ATP. So I'll summarize. 2 ATP during glycolysis, it's net ATP production, okay? So 2 ATP during Krebs cycle and 28 ATP during electron transport chain. Fourth statement is also correct. ATP is used in muscle contraction. Yes, if you are a grade 12 student, you might not have done this but I will just explain this. So later you can come back and watch this again. So under Unit 5, support and movement, sliding filament theory is given. So sliding filament theory is the accepted model for striated muscle contractions. In that it is explained how ATP is hydrolyzed to form cross bridges and carry out muscle contractions. So fifth one, ATP is utilized in both respiration and photosynthesis. In respiration, during glycolysis, ATP is used, and in photosynthesis, if you remember, during regeneration of the carbon dioxide acceptor in Calvin cycle, ATP is utilized. So the answer is number 3. Question number 4. Which of the following metabolic pathway is common to both fermentation and aerobic respiration? This is an easy question. So the answer is number 1, glycolysis, which occurs in the cytosol, and O2 is not required for that. Question number 5. Which of the following statement is correct? So the answer for this question is number 2. Albumin gives a violet color when heated with alkaline copper sulfate. So if you want more information on these practicals, you can refer to the biology practical guide. So I will link it down below in the description. Just read it out, because in this question mostly these statements are out of syllabus, so I won't be discussing it. You can just refer to the practical guide to know what are the practicals that you have to remember in order to score according to the new syllabus. So the answer is number 2. Question number 6. According to the tutorial, but question number 15 in the original paper. So which of the following is incorrect regarding RUBP carboxylase enzyme? RUBP carboxylase or Rubisco. So the first statement, it is present in the chloroplast. Yes. In C3 plants, that is available in large amounts in the stroma of chloroplast, and in C4 plants, stroma of chloroplast in bundle-shaped cells, mostly we just describe like that. So it's true that it's included in chloroplast. The second one, it uses carbon dioxide as a substrate. Yes. And it also can use oxygen, which eventually leads to photorespiration, if you remember. So that's also correct. Third one is the answer for this, because it's wrong. It is absent in C4 plants. It is present in C4 plants actually. But due to the division of labor according to Cron's anatomy, bundle sheath cells have this enzyme in large amount. You can read out the resource book if you want more information on that to get like overall picture. I'm not going to go deeper into that. So the answer for this is third one, because they're asking for the wrong answer, incorrect statement. So it is absent in C4 plants is the incorrect statement here, because C4 plants also have Rubisco enzyme included. In addition, they also have PEP carboxylase enzyme. Fourth and fifth also correct. So it catalyzes the production of PGA. That's true. It participates in photosynthesis. Question number 7. According to the tutorial, but question number 16 in the original paper. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding the light reaction of photosynthesis? So this is a bit tricky question, or this has a bit tricky answers actually. So you must be very careful when reading them. So let's read out. First one, they take place in the thylakoid membrane of grana in the chloroplast. Yes, that's true. So the second one, the electrons lost by P680 in photosystem 1 is replaced by electrons from photolysis of water. So P680, okay, and again they're saying photosystem 1. P680 is not photosystem 1, it is photosystem 2. So this seems to be a correct statement if you don't read carefully, so be aware. So the second one is the answer because it's wrong. So answer is number 2. The third statement, photosystem 2 provides energy in the form of ATP for dark reaction. We usually don't use the word dark reaction in new syllabus. We commonly use Calvin cycle. Okay, so that's about it. Fourth one, photosystem 1 provides NADPH2 for the dark reaction. We are not talking about NADPH2 in the new syllabus. We talk about NADPH, not NADPH2. Okay, then the fifth one, electron acceptors and carriers involved in light reactions are located within thylakoid membranes. Yes, since we don't study deep mechanisms related to chemiosmosis and phytochrome complexes in new syllabus, you don't need to bother about this statement. Just remember that electron carriers of light reactions are present in thylakoid membranes. So the answer for this question is number 2. Question number 8 according to the tutorial, but question number 23 in the original paper. So collagen is a protein. So I will give some points that you should remember when you talk about collagen, when you write about collagen. So first point, it is a protein. Second one, it has a quaternary structure. You guys know that there are 4 structures in protein, so collagen has a quaternary structure. Third one, most abundant protein in human body. And fourth one, provides strength and support. Fifth one, present in extracellular matrix of animal cells. So feel free to note down if you want. I will just repeat it. Collagen is a protein. It has a quaternary structure. It is the most abundant protein in human body. It provides strength and support. It is present in extracellular matrix of animal cells. So the answer is number 2. Question number 9. According to the tutorial, and question number 51 in the original paper. Which of the following organelles are involved in detoxification? So according to the new syllabus resource book, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and peroxisomes are involved in detoxification. So that is the last question from Unit 2 for the year 2001. So that's the end of this video, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support this channel. See you from the next video.